This was your second guided practice task, which was to create and organize a Google Doc, and specifically to take this list of BCSC buildings and their leaders and create something that was well organized and visually appealing. And there are so many different ways that you could have done this. I'm sure what you did is great. I'm just going to show you how I created this sample Google Doc, which looks like this. So first I'll just highlight the table and we can take a look at what's going on here. There we go. So it's just a 4x6 table that I made, and just kind of based on the number of high schools, middle schools, and elementary schools, I separated it out in the way that I did, merged a couple of the cells, and then took off some of the borders just to more clearly group certain ones together. Now that can get a little tedious when you have to individually click on the lines like this. And again, I'm holding Shift to be able to do that. But then we can take them off. And that whole section very clearly groups together. Do the same thing with middle schools there. And then to get these pictures, I just went to the BCSC, I went to every school page, and there were tutorials on the previous resource page on how to insert images. And I actually was able to put the web pages side by side, as in the BCSC page and the Google Doc page, and just click the logo and drag and drop it here. Sometimes you can do that with images too. Super easy. And just because I pulled it all from the same place, they were all the same size. I didn't have to resize them. So thank you, BCSC Tech, for making that part easy on me. And then I just bolded the school names to make that part stand out. So that's how I made mine. I'm sure yours looks awesome too. Good work, and you can move on to the final HyperDoc.